said you needed a wand to make magic. All the magic you need is right at the end of your fingertips. My apartment is kind of looking messy right now just because I have two storage bins out, the one for fall and the one for Halloween. And I'm just going to clean everything up as I go. For right now, I'm just going to remove all the Halloween decor and just replace them with my Halloween decor. And I will have some DIYs or just like explain for certain decor what I did to just add extra. I did these skeleton hands, DIY'd it. I saw a pin on Pinterest and I just followed it. I just find that it will be a cute ad next to the pumpkin heads just to add something extra. Don't really know if I really like it that much, but yeah. Then I have these like pumpkin like wooden decor. I'm not sure if it was meant for like to decorate a table or something, but I added it there. It makes for a good pop of color. In the corner, I have a bunch of boxes and bins that were there for a while. So right now, I'm just gonna makeshift my own like ghost for Halloween. I've seen a lot of this everywhere. People using like these tomato wire type of things. I don't need all of that. I can just do with what I have. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and I feel like it turned out so good. So this is just another way that you can try to do on yourself if you can. Really just boxes and a white sheet and it works. Just you just need to add your lights underneath it, but if you don't have lights, so what, the white pops off anyways of the sheet anyways. So yeah, I'm just putting up the bats and I'm going to continue with the decor. So I'm just done with my little ghost friend that I decided to name Caspian because I could only think of Casper, but I don't want to name it Casper, so I said okay, Caspian. um so yeah, I didn't need any specific tools or anything to do this. I had a bunch of boxes piled up there with stuff in them, and it's something that we don't go to every day, so I figured for like a month, if I have it covered with a sheet, it wouldn't bother anyone and it would kind of hide the mess. So I think it turned out super great. And for like the media center, I did kind of like that I put on the witch's cauldron in the background, like on the TV, which kind of inspired me to be like, okay, this could be like the table and there's just like a bunch of stuff and then the cauldron at the top cooking something or something like that. So far I'm liking it. It's spooky but not too spooky. What do you think? So I've decided to do spooky cute, but I have nothing that is cute. So I'm gonna take my creepiness to a cute level. I have drawn out these like boo letters that I kind of want to try and lay out like so. Something like this, but I also have the like fake spider webs that I'm going to add before in the background and then try to add them, but without really kind of, you know, making it permanent. I've bought these like clear sticker thingies, but you can use tape if you want just to like stick these as long as they stay, and so like that adds a pop of color and of cuteness. I'll show you how it turns out. And there you have it. Spooky but cute. I love it. It's so easy to do. So I cut out these witches hat just now. There are, I think, 6 of them. Excuse the mess. I'm on my kitchen counter. And this I did yesterday. I just have like a piece of thread, like knitting thread or crochet type of thread. And the beads I had a long time ago, and I just used the leftover paint from the pumpkin pottery thing, and I just colored, for example, this one in orange and this one in black, and I just left this its normal color, and I'm now adding these, so this is like a pop of color also, which would match what I just did with, I want to say the crown, but it's not the crown, the wreath. So voila. Okay, so I still have this mess behind me on the couch to deal with. I think I'm just gonna quickly put him in the bin, and I'm gonna try to decorate the couch. And I think for the rest, I'm gonna continue tomorrow morning. I do kind of have a busy day, so I don't know if I'll be able to film, but I will definitely show you how everything turned out. So let's just get this couch done because it's really late. I don't know if if you're noticing, but I am filming this at night. So yeah, I'm doing the best that I can, and I'm tired. I guess you can kind of see it, like my eyes are, yeah, this is the life. I'm having fun though. That's the most important part. I got these two cushion covers from by Timu for not expensive. I don't know how I feel. Like the quality is strong, but it's not a soft texture. But overall, it does the job in terms of decor, and I like how it turned out on the couch. I also got these two kitchen towels on Temu. It was on sale, and I'm just gonna replace the fall ones that I have behind and just put these. I know these that I put up are also kind of a fall, but the color matches the color scheme that I have right now, which is basically like a little bit of black, white, and orange. This is what the media center is looking like right now. Obviously, on this one, my boyfriend has to do it so it could be finally complete, and then we would have both lit. But I don't know how I feel about this area, so I don't know if I might change it. And then I added the spider webs here. I'm terrible at that, so it just look, I don't know, messy, but you know, Halloween is chaotic. It's finding the cute in the ugly. So that's that. I have my little Caspian here with the hat. I love it so much. Just to be honest, wasn't complicated. I used what I had and it turned out awesome. I also like the way the bats turn out on the wall. Like what? I feel like I placed them up so good. And then I changed just the two of these here. I didn't print it out a third one, so I'm just gonna leave that like couple on the bench for autumn. But yeah, overall, this is looking super, super cute. I really, really love it. And this is the entryway. This is basically like where we put our shoes in there. And then at the top, we just have, you know, a disinfectant, what's not, the Lysol and all of those things. We have our keys in there, and I decided to put, you know, the paper just to like cover up. And I feel like it turned out so stinking cute just by being like that without any extra. I was gonna add like some bubbles here just to make it look a little more like witchy, but I'm really happy with just that. And then I added also like this black ripped, I don't know what you call it, but like old material, just to add that like old vintage kind of thing. You know what I mean? And then these are just normal books inside that I use paper, and I just written like, curses, hocus pocus. This is something that I did for autumn as well. If you watch that video, so I just used it this way. I feel like you can do a lot with just paper. Like, tell me this isn't cute. Hold on, let me just light this. Like this is just perfect. And then I did the little spiders going up the wall next to like the family picture frame there. Oh my god, I really love how this area turned out. I'm actually thinking that this area turned out better than the media center. Leave me know in the comments what you think. And there you have it. This is my version of how I made my apartment look spooky but cute this Halloween. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, that you were inspired or got any inspiration, ideas from the decoration, and I hope that it just, put it out there that you don't have to go over the top. You can do something that's nice on a budget, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hope you guys really did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.